Welcome to Best Buying Guide. The best cardio machines is probably one of the most crucial investments you can make for your health and fitness journey right at home, offering unparalleled convenience and a consistent way to boost your cardiovascular health, burn calories, and improve your overall well-being without the need for gym memberships or crowded workout spaces, making it an essential addition to any modern household aiming for a healthier lifestyle. Number 5. YOSUDA Exercise Bike 002, Orange. For over 2 decades, YOSUDA has been a leader in home fitness equipment. Join over 3 million families who trust our commitment to quality and reliability. Experience a remarkably smooth and quiet workout thanks to its 25 pounds flywheel and belt-driven system. You can exercise without disturbing anyone around you. This equipment is built for safety and stability, supporting up to 300 pounds. Adjustable pedals and an instant stop mechanism ensure a secure ride, even during intense sessions. Enjoy a personalized fit with adjustable handlebars and a padded seat. It's designed to accommodate users of various heights, ensuring comfort for everyone. Stay motivated with the LCD display tracking your progress and Bluetooth smart app support. Immerse yourself in virtual rides and competitions for an engaging fitness journey. Setting up is a breeze with included tools and clear instructions. Plus, an online video guide helps you assemble it in about 30 minutes. What we like. If you're looking for an immersive cycling experience at home, this is a great choice. It offers smart app connectivity for engaging workouts and a quiet belt drive for peaceful exercise. With a solid 300 pounds weight capacity, it's built for durability and consistent use. What people say. This treadmill has a very quiet motor, making it ideal for home use without disturbing others. The machine features a large, easy-to-read display that shows speed, distance, time, and calories burned. It offers a variety of preset workout programs that cater to different fitness levels and goals. Number 4. XTERRA Fitness Folding Exercise Bike. Introducing the XTERRA Fitness Folding Exercise Bike, designed to fit your life and your home. Its robust X-frame construction ensures stability while offering a convenient foldable design. When not in use, it folds down to an incredibly compact 18.1 by 18.1 inches of floor space. This makes it perfect for any room, allowing you to reclaim your space. Experience unparalleled comfort during your workouts. It features a large, anatomically designed seat and multi-position padded handlebars for a personalized fit. Stay informed about your progress with the easy-to-read 2x1 LCD window. It clearly displays your speed, distance, time, calories burned, and pulse. Tailor your workout intensity with 8 levels of adjustable resistance. Easily change your challenge using the large manual dial located conveniently below the console. Built to support you, it boasts a sturdy 225 pounds weight capacity. This ensures a safe and effective workout for a wide range of users. What we like. For those with limited space, this is the perfect solution. Its solid X-frame foldable design means it takes up minimal floor space when not in use. With 8 levels of resistance, you can easily adjust the intensity for a great workout, making it ideal for apartments or smaller homes. What people say. The machine is compact and fits well in my small apartment. I love the variety of workout programs available on this machine. The display is clear and easy to read, showing all the important metrics. Number 3. Lifepro Turbo and Hovert 3D Vibration Plate. Unlock a new level of fitness with our advanced 3D vibration technology. It combines oscillating and lateral movements for a truly dynamic workout that engages every muscle. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned athlete, find your perfect intensity. With 99 speed levels and 8 auto programs, it offers a fully customizable full-body workout. Enhance your routine by adding upper body resistance. The included bands allow for a comprehensive muscle toning session, shaping your entire body. Enjoy ample space on our extra-large, non-slip platform. Built to be heavy-duty, it provides stable support for up to 330 pounds, ensuring safety during any exercise. Incorporate it into your daily routine for muscle relaxation and stress relief. Its convenient remote control and easy mobility make wellness accessible anytime. This machine is designed to promote lymphatic drainage and improve circulation. Its unique motion helps activate muscle fibers for better overall health. What we like. If you prioritize low-impact workouts and enhanced circulation, consider this option. The unique 3D dual-motor vibration system offers a truly dynamic experience for lymphatic drainage and muscle activation. With 99 speed levels, it's suitable for everyone from beginners to advanced users seeking a full-body wellness routine. What people say. The machine is very quiet and smooth. It has a compact design that fits well in small spaces. The variety of workout programs is impressive, offering different levels of intensity. Number 2. Fitness Reality Magnetic Rowing Machine. Engage your entire body, from arms and legs to your core, while boosting your cardiovascular health. This machine offers a safe and comfortable workout with its cushioned seat, anti-slip pedals, and adjustable features. Connect via Bluetooth to our app for virtual races and track all your key metrics. Monitor your speed, calories burned, distance, and more for a truly immersive experience. Enjoy a smooth and quiet workout thanks to the nylon belt and ball-bearing rollers. Easily adjust the resistance to suit your fitness level, from beginner to advanced. Access a variety of on-demand classes and create custom programs tailored to your schedule and goals. It's compatible with popular fitness apps for a seamless integration. Setting up is a breeze with our simple instructions and included tools. When not in use, it conveniently folds for easy storage. Built with alloy steel for durability, this machine features transport wheels and adjustable stabilizers. It's designed to withstand regular use and support up to 250 pounds. We are dedicated to helping you achieve your fitness goals. Let us be a part of your journey, whether you're a daily enthusiast or just starting out. What we like. If you want a comprehensive workout that engages your entire body, this is the machine for you. It offers Bluetooth connectivity for tracking your progress and virtual racing, all while providing an ultra-quiet rowing experience. It's perfect for those who want to improve cardiovascular health and build strength efficiently. What people say. The machine has a very smooth and quiet operation, making it ideal for home use without disturbing others. It offers a wide range of resistance levels, allowing for progressive training and catering to different fitness levels. The compact design and foldable feature make it easy to store, which is a great advantage for smaller living spaces. Number 1. Sunny Health and Fitness Heavy Duty Elliptical. Introducing the Sunny Health and Fitness Heavy Duty Elliptical. Get a comprehensive full-body workout right in your home. It's designed for durability and effective training. Experience precise control over your workout intensity with 16 levels of smooth electromagnetic resistance. This allows for faster response times and tailored adjustments for your fitness level. Enjoy a peaceful workout thanks to its extra quiet and smooth operation. The advanced system is designed for minimal maintenance and long-lasting durability. Stay motivated and on track with 24 built-in workout programs. These guided sessions are designed to help you achieve your fitness objectives efficiently. Track all your key metrics with the Advanced Performance Monitor. It displays speed, time, distance, calories, heart rate, and more, allowing you to customize your workouts. Achieve your fitness goals with effective, low-impact exercise. The 15.5-inch stride length and built-in pulse sensors enable a full-body workout while monitoring your heart rate. Built with a high-quality steel frame to support up to 330 pounds, this elliptical ensures a secure and durable workout experience. Adjustable stabilizers provide stability on any surface. What we like. For a highly customizable and motivating cardio experience, this elliptical is a top pick. It boasts 16 levels of electromagnetic resistance and 24 built-in workout programs to keep your fitness journey fresh. If you're looking for a low-impact, full-body workout with precise intensity control, this machine delivers. What people say. It is very sturdy and well-built. The machine is easy to assemble and use. It has a smooth and quiet operation. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.